guys? Welcome back. Right now we are on our way to a car meet on top of a parking garage. And it's gonna get dark soon, so we're gonna go show off the new underglow. Let me know what you guys think of the underglow. Does it like make it look more like JDM? 'Cause that's the look I was going for, like classic JDM look, you know? I think it looks sick. I absolutely love it. And we're gonna go show it off tonight. Let's see how people react to it. Such a clean Supra. Oh man. Look at that, they're all going to the meet. Yo guys, we just got here and it's looking crazy. I saw a Revolto at the very start of the meet. Looks sick. We got a Charger parking next to us. That's pretty sweet. Really nice color on that Challenger. 5.7 liter, I believe. Pretty sweet. Let's go check some cars out. Got such a clean AMG here. Holy. Check out the M4. Dude, I love this thing. This thing's sick. Got the aftermarket grills. Super nice. Right next to it, AMG, I believe the GTC. Super nice convertible. And right next to it, Lamborghini Revolto in a beautiful blue. Look at that, white calipers too. That's so cool. Let me know what you think of the Revoltos. I think these are sick. Look at the matching interior. Holy. Check out this super clean Porsche. I'm a fan of this. This is sweet. Anyone want to know what model this is? I'm not like a Porsche expert. Let me know if you know the model of that, because that's sick. I'll have to look on it. Check out super clean R35 GTR. One of the new ones too. That's beautiful. Got some really nice Porsches here. Holy. These are sick. Check this thing out. GT3 RS. Super nice. Still walking around with this thing because this thing's clean. Check out that wing. Check out this Supra. Holy. You got the headlight inlet right there, that's sick. Dude, this thing's crazy. Look at those wheels. Carbon lip. Dude, I bet this thing's loud. The interior. So clean. Check out these BMWs. Oh my god. M5 wagon, I believe. Yeah, M5 wagon. Another M5 wagon. This thing's crazy decked out. Look at that. Super nice wheels. What wheels are those? Those are sick. Got a ski box on top. Oh my gosh. This thing is crazy. Wow. Beautiful color too. And then another M5 wagon right here. Dude, what? 3 M5 wagons all lined up. That's crazy. Are you guys a fan of the M5 wagons? Because I think these are actually pretty sick. They've grown on me. I'm not a fan of wagons, but they've grown on me. That's crazy. Check out the Lambo with the doors up. That's even cooler. That's so sick. Right next to we got this beautiful Huracan. Check out that interior, that's so nice. Got some more cars pulling up. These things sound crazy. Boosted Mustang. You've seen him before. Crazy C7. Look at those wheels. Oh, nice. Supra Mark IV. Really nice Supra Mark V. Dude, look at this wing. That's sick. I like that. Wheels are super crazy too. I like the skinny tires on this thing. Looks great. What do you guys think about the LC500? With new wheels, I think this thing looks sick. So clean. You got the M5 sedan, regular version. This is pretty sweet. What do you guys think? M5 sedan or wagon? Super nice Civic hatch. Don't see these often. Nice Fox body Mustang. It's convertible too. Wow, that's really nice. Camaro Z01, super nice. Check this old classic out. Pontiac GTO, I believe. Super sweet. Look at the side exhaust, that's really cool. Oh, that super just scraped in there. Check out this crazy off-road Porsche. Check out this TRX. Holy. Super clean WRX STI. This thing's sick. I love these cars. This thing's really sweet. I like this. That's sweet. Super nice AMG. Look at that wing. That's nice. Those cars are sick. Check out the classic BMW. This thing's sweet. Along with a really nice S2000. I'd take one of those all day. Got the lineup of 86s up here. This is really nice. Oh, one BRZ. Sorry. Look at the lights on the M5. That's sick. Oh, Miata. To the Porsche GT3 RS, sorry. Nice purple. Purple McLaren. I think it's a 570S. Oh, 600 LT maybe. It's got those exhaust pipes right at the back. That's sick. A little bit of luxury. Crazy wheels on that thing. Holy. Check out this wide body Huracan. Oh my gosh. Kind of hard to see, but look at that. Thing's wide. Full body kit. It's actually crazy. So nice. This looks like the race wide body kit that I used for the Huracan like GT3 Evos. I'm not sure. I might not be correct about that, but it looks sick. Look at those wheels. That's crazy. There's a wide body Huracan. And the Revolto just started up. Sounds good. What do you think of the sound? Could be louder. Go the wide body Huracan. Those wheels are sick. I like those a lot. Oh, it's from downstairs. It's so loud. Come on. Yeah. Nice. going, holy. That's a way. Oh, the M5 wagon. There's a Revolto right there. You first. This is a great game. I know. For the vid. There he goes. Here's the Aventador. Those sound crazy. Here's the 01 and the GT4 RS. Don't rip it off the light. I hope so. Hellcat! No way! Well, that could be me! Right there, the heli! The Hellcat. Oh, there we go. The AMG over there. We are heading out in the K truck with the underglow, looking really, really nice. Absolutely love the underglow on this thing. It looks crazy. What do you guys think? Let me know.